Under the LIFO Perpetual method, we're going to calculate the inventory cost as we go throughout the period. Under LIFO, we're going to sell our newest inventory, and so our oldest layers will be the inventory that we'll hold on to. So our first purchase of 2,000 units at $4 is our first layer. And then we have an additional layer to add on top, 6,000 units at $4.40. And so far this looks exactly like our previous problem when we did FIFO under the perpetual method. Here's where it looks different. We have 4,000 units that are sold on March 19th. And so we're going to sell off our newest inventory first. And so we start at the bottom. And so 6,000 units, out of that we're going to take 4,000 out because our newest inventory is sold. Okay, so you're selling inventory out of this bucket here, right? And so we're going to start at the bottom. We're going to start with our newest inventory. That's what's going to be sold. So notice that my first layer is untouched. It still stays the same. And so the second layer goes from 6,000 units down to 2,000 units. We take the whole 4,000 out of that 6 to get down to 2. Next, we have a purchase of 2,000 units. So I just bring down those two layers exactly as they are and then just add a layer on top. So the purchases are pretty much the easiest part because all you do is you just add a layer right on top of what you had before. So you get a total ending inventory value of 26,300. That's different than under periodic because your latest purchases are relative. They change. So my latest purchase on March 15th is different than my latest purchase on March 30th. Under the periodic method, we look at the end of the period and do our latest purchases. Our latest purchases as you go, though, is different. And so you'll have a different value for ending inventory under LIFO Perpetual than you will under LIFO Periodic. So with the exception of the two FIFO inventory methods, you'll notice that you have a different value under each case. And so GAAP allows companies to choose inventory method, and depending on the sophistication of their record keeping, they'll either be recording inventory periodically at the end of a period or perpetually as they go. Companies will choose an inventory method that they'll choose an inventory method that is common practice in their industry.